Unbelievable. Ex-Lagos Governor Ambade's 2023 game plan revealed. Hello, my wonderful people. This is one of the persons through whom Tinubu has shown to Nigerians, really truly speaking, that he's got the leadership or the political terrain in Lagos in his very own hands. Okay, this was a man who became Lagos State Governor, and guess what? Allegedly, okay, rumor have it that because he did not go to the master's plan, okay, he wanted to do something different for Lagos. They say, you know what, if you're not going to keep to your part of the bargain, if you're not going to follow the master, you go come out for the show. Now, so then do the guy, and we saw how Babajide Sanwo-Olu became the governor. He warned Nigerians, small way. He warned Lagosians particularly. Say, listen, what you were saying or what's happening now, if care's not taken, you'll be surprised because this man that is becoming your governor, he has blah, 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 blah. He's been arrested in the US before. He's, used fake dollars. He's been in police detention. Blah, 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 blah has happened. But listen, Lagosians today keep referring to it whenever there is a major issue saying, Ambode warned us. Anyway, there is a game plan now on board. This man, let's get all the details. Ex-governor Ex-Lagos State Governor Ambode 2023 game plan revealed. In less than 14 months to the 2023 general election, contesting political parties within and outside the ruling APC are ready, diversing and plotting out way to either remain in power or unseat the ruling cabal. Former Governor of Lagos State, Akinwumi Ambode, has been tipped as one of the key assets that will be used by a set of strong APC stakeholders in a bid to consolidate themselves in power beyond 2023. Ambode, who has been away from the media since his exit as the executive governor of Lagos State, has been getting mentioned and has been linked with the 7 APC category committee chairman and governor of Yobe State at the Central in recent times. The Ekpe-born accountant is the first democratically elected single-term governor in the history of the state, losing his second tenure party nomination to the incumbent governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, after falling out with Tinubu, who rallied against him into the position in the first rally around him in the first tenure and rally against him in the second tenure. By political calculations, especially in Lagos State, the privilege for re-election is yet already always based on good performance. Otherwise, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode would be serving his second tenure now as the executive governor, rumor has it. A source within the APC hinted that though Ambode is still hanging popular in his native town Ekpe in Lagos, it is doubtful if he will want to sit down with the Tinubu political family again for any form of business in the light of how he was treated in the build up to 2019 elections. Tinubu made sure because he did not fulfill or did what he wanted, he was out of the game. The fact that he has been off the radar made it easy for him to operate unnoticed. Sources confirm Ambode has been going in and out of Abuja powerhouse since the past 6 months without giving clue to the media. It is said that his close relationship with the current APC category chairman, Governor Malam Buni, is so cordial that they hardly spend a week without seeing each other. And these are potential being put together to ensure that 2023 gets what it wants. Recall that APC has 3 parallel congresses with one of the faction led by Akinwumi Ambode. In the end, Malam Buni recognized Ambode faction and his list of executive, which is part of a coup and an ongoing effort to weaken the influence of the national leader Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Top source reveal Ambode faction was sponsored by Boni, who is the chairman and is playing a double game and a double card in this regard, as they want to secretly, stylishly fade out Tinubu. So my people, Ambode is operating unnoticed, okay, quietly. Recently they appointed him as one of the, something in APC. And people were wondering from where to where. When did he become a friend, okay, to APC Clerical Committee Chairman? So what's happening is, if you want to deal with your enemy, what you do is that you find people he has offended. Yes, you look out for where he has made those mistakes, the lines where he has overstepped his bound, and people definitely will not be happy and will be like, okay, I can't wait, okay, to get my hands on you. You understand? So they've been waiting patiently, and we know what is happening currently right now today. So my wonderful people, Amber Day, there's a secret plot going on gradually. And, when APC had Congress in Lagos, there were three different sets. Okay, there was the set. Okay, there was the set of the current governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. I mean, that's Tinubu set. There was the Lagos for Lagos set, and there was the Ambode set, all APC. But like you and I know currently now today, I mean, it's no longer business as usual, because as we see right now, currently speaking, the Lagos for Lagos set has, I mean, they've joined People Democratic Party, and there are works, there are plans to ensure, that Tinubu, influence in Lagos is weakened, because Tinubu has, a very strong influence around that terrain. Yeah, he has a very strong influence. He knows what he's doing. Okay, so what he does is that he supports people. Yeah, helps them to get into the political ladder. Then you owe him. Okay, that's what we call godfatherism. You sponsor, you support, and when it's time, you ensure that such a one is when the opportunity comes. Yeah, he has no choice. He cannot say no. So here, there you have it. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please do not forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.